Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get dark mode with customizable color for Chrome and Edge web browser for computers. So without more delay, let's begin. So here I'm gonna use the Chrome web browser. So if you're using an Edge web browser, still the tricks will remain the same. So just open the respective web browser. And in the Google search for one application named as Dark Mode for Web by Winnie Price. On the first list, you will see one website. Just click on it. Now just click on this Add to Chrome. Click on this Add Extension. So finally, the extension has been installed successfully. Now just click on this extension icon and just click on this pin option. Now let me open a respective website, say Google. So now just click on this dark mode icon. Now you will see here the first option is reading mode. So here I'm not gonna use it, so I will just gonna use the dark mode. You can use the reading mode also if you want. So here just enable dark mode. Now you can see the dark mode has been enabled. Now just below to it you can see here custom color, right? Just click on it. Now you can choose any color depending upon your needs. So say I just want it to set it here by selecting the blue color and click on OK. Now you can see here I can get a different custom color. You can set any color depending upon your needs. So let us try this yellow and you can adjust it depending upon your needs. This one, click on OK. Now you can see here you can get different custom colors. So if you want to restore it back, just click on this cross icon, then it will restore back to the default dark mode. And if you want to disable the dark mode, just click on it here, the dark mode option. Now you can see it's restored back. So by using this application named as dark mode for web, you can easily get dark mode with customizable color for Chrome and Edge web browser for computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.